Hi, Ello. Good evening.
Hello.
Hello, how are you, Ello, today?
I'm doing good.
You're doing good. Okay, wait. Okay, I just realized that your hair is really long.
Yeah.
Did you go to the public school, right?
Hmm?
Is it allowed by our
We go
principal?
to Gonzaga. Yeah, it's a lot.
That is allowed?
Yeah, it is a lot.
Oh, okay. I just realized that. How long that ha how long have you been
I think
for
like
having that hair?
2 years. I think
3 years? So you
two
don't,
years. 2 years.
oh, 2 years. So you didn't have cut it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Wow, cool. It seems like
Like,
okay, no,
yeah.
it's just long. I just remember about my my friends. Okay,
Oh,
so we'll start our lesson. Yeah,
yeah.
we I still remember what was the last material that we learned.
In JavaScript.
Yes, it's JavaScript, and today we'll continue, and it will be about wait, is it already on holiday on school break or still?
There's already a holiday.
Okay,
It's
the
already,
classmate is over.
yeah.
Okay, so until when?
Eight.
In January.
Yeah.
Okay. Why it's until 8 January?
I don't really know. It's just on eighth.
Okay. Because just 2 days left before the weekend, right? Like just the Thursday and Friday. Wait, did you go to
What?
school for Saturday and Sunday? Oh, for Saturday, did you go to school? Or just holiday?
It's already a holiday.
Oh, okay. So we'll start, yeah. Today we learn about, wait a minute, let me share my screen. It will be about the functions. So you already learned about the introduction to JavaScript on the last weekend. And today we'll learn about the function and events in JavaScript. So if I'm not mistaken, you already learned about function and also events several times in Python. So what are they? Still remember about it?
No, functions and events.
Function is?
Function is like, what is my? It's like something that is there like something that does a specific like interaction
Okay,
or
specific
like
interaction and how, like, like what?
function. Hmm. I don't really remember now.
I don't really remember. And how about the events?
Something that happens in a
Something.
specific in
Okay.
something specific or
Okay. Okay, yeah,
yeah.
totally correct about the function and event. So basically, when we're talking about a function, it's like so you want to create a long of code, but you don't want to type it, retype it again and again. So instead
Oh,
of you type it, you just call the name. Just call the name, the long of code. You just call one of names, and then the long of code will run. It's basically shorten your code. Yeah. And about events, it's already correct something that happened, or specifically we are talking about, oh, sorry, we're talking about
Okay.
interactions. So pressing button and then hovering the button, sliding the
Mm.
button, and etc. It's related to the events. Yeah, where it comes a lot of from the mouse or the keyboards. Yeah, mainly
Mm.
from those two inputs. Okay. So
Yeah.
yeah, we learn about the function and also event. So what are they? Nah. So timers and functions. We learn about the timers and functions. So timer, it's like a time module in Python, if you remember about it, where you can create
Yeah.
a stopwatch, where you can count the current time and also uh, subtract it with another time. So you have like a gap between of those two times. Yeah. So you can create like a timer. Okay.
Ah.
So yes, you can use one of the function in the JavaScript, which is a set timeout. So this command is used for like this. Yeah, set timeout and then command set and then how many time that you will wait for that. Okay. So for example, you want to create set
Okay.
timeout console log hello algorithmics for 500. So what that does mean, yeah. So this line of code trying
Yeah.
to run this.
Ah.
Yes, trying to run this. And then if it's timeout for 500, then yeah,
After
it will.
500 seconds.
No, it's not 500 seconds. It's in milliseconds.
Milliseconds. Alright. Mm.
Milliseconds. So it's divided by a thousands. That
Yeah.
means
Yeah.
it's like zero point
Half
0.5
a second.
seconds.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So a function is name block of code, shortening the code, infinite number of times once it's created. So it's like alert, it's a console log, query selector, it's a functions. Okay. So if you want to create a function in JavaScript, it's like you creating a function in Python. You need to create the function first, the operator functions, and then the name of its functions, and then you can put the parameters and the curly brackets. Then, yeah, just create the body of the functions. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, so if you already create your own functions, you can declare the function and write the function body. Yeah. Now, for example, you want to create these functions, just call it like a summa and then create two variables and store it into one variables to sum two numbers. Yeah, and then just console log
Mm.
it.
Mm. Yeah. Yeah.
This is the body of the functions. Okay, so if you want to run the function, just call the name. Yeah. Now you can put also a parameters inside of it. But remember,
Yeah.
if you create a function with the parameters, you need to set it as well when you call the function name letter after you create it.
Okay.
Okay, so let's go back to the set timeout. Now we know how to create a set of comments and we can fully use this tool. So the next one, you will create your own functions, yeah, and then set timeout, adding set timeout, remind 2 times 60 times 1000. That means for 2 minutes. Yeah.
Mm.
Set timeout only accept the function name as input, so we can write it without parentheses at the end. So if you want to call other functions as a parameters, you don't
Yeah.
have to put the brackets. But
Mm.
if you
Okay.
want to run the functions, you need to put the
Build
brackets. Yeah.
parameter. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Like that. And then now, or you want to create directly, yeah, set timeout and then create the function as well. It's already possible. It's also possible in here. Yeah.
What?
Now this one is we call it as an anonymous function. So they don't need to come up with any name because the whole construct is based to set timeout. Yeah. So you don't have to create a function name. Just call the function and then go to this one. the function name that you already created before.
Mm, is it still easier if it's reminded message or not?
What do you say?
Is it still not easier if you just write yeah like that, or
Yeah,
does it not work?
yeah, it's still working like this.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, we pass the function that will be called at the right moment, yeah. And then the remand function will be called from it with the argument pass. And then that's all. Yeah, you already learned about also the anonymous functions. Have any questions?
Hmm. Oh, not really.
Not really.
That's
Okay.
cool.
Yes. Next one, event handling. So event handling, it's we already mentioned, like it comes from the keyboard and also the mouse. Yeah. So event is a browser signal that the user has performed an action on the page. Here is a list. Yeah. You can click, mouse enter, mouse leave, mouse move. It's already apa? They are accepted. Yeah, for our JavaScript functions. So if you want to capture all of these events, you can use at event listener command. So you can capture all of those events. For example, you can use this one at event listener and then event name and the function. Yeah. For example, now like this, yeah. If you want to click, then it will change the picture. So how can we do that? We can use the HTML like this. Yeah, switch theme, header, okay. And then if you want to create the event handling, just write a function, subscribe to update, and specify what event will respond and how. Yeah. For example, you will create your own function, switch theme, and then it will get the header HTML tag, and then it will change the style background to URL dark for GPG. Yeah, and the background size as well. Now, if you want to create that, just use the let button to make it at event listener. So whenever you click the button, the switch theme will execute. Okay, this is at the event listener use for. Okay, like this. Have any questions?
Does it have the click? Can it be like something else? Like it can
Yeah,
be hover, right?
yeah. It could be hover. It could be mouse move, like the other three that uh
Wow.
from the previous one.
Mhm. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Now this one, yeah, that you're already asking. Now, so if you want to make it transparent like this one, just use the mouse over. Yeah, just do the same thing. Create the function and then capture the button and then use at event listener for that button. Yeah.
Yeah.
Also, you can use mouse out and you can combine both like that. Yeah. Now for mouse move, how can we do that? It's just mouse move maybe. That's all. Have any question, Alok?
No,
No?
that's
Okay,
it.
so please open your about platform and then number 10, yeah. Please open number 10. Wait a minute for this one. There
No.
are uh, it's still loading. There are three correct answers.
Three.
It's block of code, declaration note, number of times. One left.
Function cannot.
Yes. A function values as input.
Okay. Uh,
Without brackets.
oh, that bracket.
Yes.
Uh,
Yes. Just correct the mistakes. Yes. Totally correct.
this
Still undefined. In the body functions. There's missing in the body functions. Actually, for the parameters, it's already correct like that.
well, it's empty.
Yeah. You correct it. You already correct it.
Oh,
Yes. It should be
then
like that. Yes, correct.
right.
No, you don't have to create another variables, but they're still missing in the body functions. You can see from the previous one, from number four. Ah, number three. Oh no. So what do you miss in the number five then? It starts from R.
People result.
No, no. You don't have to create another variables
Right here.
inside the functions. What do you miss? This one.
Return.
Yes, it's return. Yeah, try to play it. Hmm.
I don't
because you console log it
remember that.
from the number four. You don't have to use the return because you just print it directly, right? This time you
Yeah,
need to start inside the variables.
I don't remember hmm, return from the PowerPoint.
Yeah, it's actually use if you want to start the function in the into new variables.
Oh, wait. I have some
Hmm. For the number six, actually that's already correct, but you put the set time out outside of the functions here, not inside of it. It's already correct. It's already correct. Just push alert and then put the messages directly without storing it into variables. And then for the set
oh,
timeout, it's outside from the functions.
Nothing's happening.
Cool.
Uh, hmm. We'll only use JavaScript.
Yeah, just change the JavaScript. Move rocket.
Or change
So
the
you need to
pixel.
change, you need to move the positions of the rocket.
Yeah. Mm. We have to change the CSS.
Nope, just only the JavaScript. You just only need to move the pictures.
Yeah, does it minus something in the CSS?
No.
Does it?
Okay, so it will be like this. Yeah. First thing first, you need to capture the rocket, the image, and then change its top positions. Yeah, to 300 later on. Wait, is it move?
No.
Reference error let is not defined.
Oh,
Okay. Uh, Next one. Cool. This one you only need to play it only. For this one, there are four correct answers. Yeah?
Okay. Which correct is in this one?
There are three correct answers. Uh, that's correct. Oh, sorry, four correct answers. Yeah.
Okay.
Handling event is correct. Add event listener is correct. One left.
Good.
Hmm. Nope. Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. No worries. Continue. Yeah.
Okay.
No. Yes. Mouse move. Without brackets.
No records.
Hmm. Bracket this one. We don't have to put it.
Oh,
Yes. Yes.
I need to change
What do you miss before use the event listener? Yes. Okay, try to click it. Number five. Change the JavaScript, yeah. Have you changed it?
Alright, yeah. We need to add something, like another function,
Yes,
or
add a new functions. Change theme.
background. Mm. Mm. I don't know. I don't know what to change.
Okay. So the first one is the header. Yeah. The header is need to be changed in here as in the questions. So you need to get the header first from the HTML and then set a new style. Yeah. From the images that already mentioned and add event.
Hmm. Hmm.
Finish. The background has changed. Hmm. I think this one, the space
Where?
before the BG.
Oh,
Yeah.
there has to be URL.
Yes, I?
Does this have to be URL?
Oh yeah.
It has to be.
Yeah.
Okay. This is is this in HTML?
Hmm. Number six. You don't have to.
Not this. What
Just
about
change
this?
the JavaScript.
Oh, where's the price? Where actually? Like,
What did I say?
this is not in the HTML yet. Like
Sorry, what?
this. This isn't in the HTML.
Yeah, that's in the HTML. It's already written, right?
In here?
Yeah.
But I'll find out. Hmm. How am I supposed to take the value one by one?
So for this one, you can do this for the calculation price. So you need to get the HTML first and then do the calculation, then add an event listener.
Let's
Oh, wait a minute, yeah. I need to go to the bathroom.
Okay. So,
Okay. Can you do
mm,
that?
no, I don't know what to change. Like, I know I want to change the button, but I don't know what the class is.
So you can just go to the HTML first and then see from there. So it's a send button, right? That means That is submit button send.
Hmm.
So the first step is like this. There are two functions.
Hmm. Right.
Make transparent.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay. That's all. Have any questions, Ella,
Hmm.
so far?
No, not really.
Not really. Okay. Please
Just
do the review. Do the exercise again. Especially for the selecting HTML part, HTML tag, so you don't have to confuse again. So, what is the identifier for the HTML tag? Yeah, to change its
yeah.
type. Have any questions?
Okay. Yeah,
Oh
no,
yeah.
not really.
Okay, so we can dismiss our class for today. Yeah. Hello. Good job.
Yeah.
All of the question is answered. So see you in the next sessions. Bye. Hello.
Yeah.
Good
All
evening.
right. Goodbye.